This is a bad lower ball joint on a 2014 Kia Cadenza. So I'm gonna show you how to remove this. Hopefully we'll have some good luck and we can get this out easily. There are the tools and the part. Obviously you have the lower ball joint right there. And the drilling hammer is right there. I use that to help me get the part out, but you can use any other hammer that's equivalent. A chisel, so I have my chisel right there. Definitely need that. If not, you're not gonna get the thing out of there. A wooden mallet for putting it back in. If you have an impact gun, it did make life a hell of a lot easier. If you don't, you can always use a ratchet. And I also used some WD-40 to, that's why you see that thing all oily, to kind of lube it up and get it out of there. But yeah, this is my 3/4 that I use with my ratchet. Got a 17 and then a 21 is going to be for the tires. This is what a bad ball joint looks like. See that? It's supposed to be no movement, but I can clearly move it, which is not good. So there's supposed to be no play whatsoever. You can remove all the bolts with the 17mm socket. So you can remove this one here, this one here. Pretty sure we can probably even remove that one too once I get the cotter pin out. But let me show you the bolts underneath. You got 3 of them. Hit it with the 17mm socket. cotter pin. Just be sure you put the cotter pin back. Yeah, I'm gonna put mine like that. Screw it. You don't have to, but I am. I don't care. That way it'll be easier for me to undo it next time. I just gotta pull that. It just works out better for me. Ta-da! And that is how I change out a ball joint, lower ball joint on a 2014 Kia Cadenza. Alright guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, thank y'all for watching. And tune in next time and see what else I decide to do on this vehicle. Alright guys, peace.